Welcome to today's YouTube video. Today I'll be going over what modifications I have on my 2018 Infiniti Q60. So let's go take a look. Get the fuck out my face, bro. So these are the Alpha AMS intakes. Funny story, I actually traded in my blow-up valves by Turbo Smart for these intakes. These were brand new. It was a good deal. I did the install myself. Took probably like good 3 hours. Wasn't too hard. The hardest side was actually the passenger side. So this right here is I'm also on flex fuel. I'm on E30 right now, and then this is the fuel filter. I don't have a high pressure fuel pump, but it's coming soon. The reason why I got this and why I recommend everybody should get this is because a lot of times when you run ethanol on these engines, sometimes the injectors go bad. So that protects like any contaminants going into your injectors whenever you're running ethanol. So when I first got the car, I wanted to do the lip, side skirts, the whole thing. So what did I do? I went on eBay and never ever buy a 3-piece splitter, because that's what I had. I'll post a picture now on the screen. It was black and it had like a red tape going across the middle. While it looked cool, it was a pain in the ass to install. I went ahead and put tap screws in the splitter. Came off in like 2 weeks. I got out of work and it was just hanging, and I just tore it off in the parking lot. It just pissed me off, honestly. So never get a 3-piece. So the color of this car is actually not paint. It's actually a wrap from Avery Dimensions. Name of the wrap is called Blue Raspberry. Before I got this car, I was looking at what kind of wraps to do for the car, because I knew I wanted to wrap it, but I didn't know what color. So I looked up custom Infiniti Q60 just like everybody else, and this color showed up on a Q50 at a gas station. It looked really good, and I just had to get it. The guy charged me $1,500. Not a bad deal at all. Some shops quoted me $2,000. One shop quoted me $3,500. So for me to pay $1,500 for a full vehicle wrap, it's a good deal. On the back, I just wanted to be a little bit funny, so I just put it's a rental. Before, it was funded by Forex, but I just felt it was kind of sleazy, so I just put something funny on there. And then the rims are 20 inches. They're a brand called Modern Luxury. I'd never heard of the brand before until I actually went to the tire shop. Currently running 275s by Del Knight. 2 weeks ago, I installed the brake pads and drilled and slotted rotors myself. Didn't take too long, but if you've never done it before, it could take a while. So while I was still getting revisions done from Racebox, I went ahead and went to our local drag strip. It was on an 1/8 mile. In this clip, I raced a Scat Pack. I'm not sure if he had any mods done to his, but this was on pump gas. I think it was on 93 pump gas. He got the hit, and then I reeled him in shortly after that. In the next few clips, I'll show what my car sounded like with a muffler delete, what it sounded like with a muffler delete and Megan Racing downpipes, and then where it is now with the upper catless, lower downpipes, and the muffler delete and the 3-inch resonators. I hope you enjoy that video of the journey of the Q60. If you like to see more content like this, Q60, Q50, our builds, a little bit of vlogging at car meets, a little bit of racing here and there, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on. I sure and highly appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.